Hey everyone, Tara Tescher here, the creator and designer behind Temp-tations and Tara at Home. And I am so excited to be debuting my brand new 10-piece bakeware set on QVC. If you're new to Temp-tations, what I love about these pieces is that they're oven safe up to 500 degrees, which literally means you can tuck it under your broiler. They go in the dishwasher, they go in the refrigerator, they go in the freezer, and they even go in the microwave. They're all individually hand painted, and they actually become a system. So when we talk about these 10 great pieces, we're going to start with our 2.5 quart baker. Metal utensil safe. They're stoneware. So what's great about that is they're naturally non-stick. So no butters, no oils, no extra added fats. Then we couple it with what we call our deep dish liddet, and that liddet is actually your cookie sheet, it's your cutting board, it's your serving platter, it's the trivet for under your baker, it's the lid for on top of your baker. Then we go into some of our smaller pieces, just under a quart. We include 2 of our almost loaf-size baking pieces that also have their deep dish liddets. And then we included our 4-ounce rammies, 4 of those. So when you're thinking about some of your condiments or some of your side dishes or even portion control, all of that is included. We have it in 2 beautiful patterns, our Old World and our Floral Lace, in beautiful colors. And the best part about these pieces is, yes, they're all hand painted, but you don't have to baby them. We always say from everyday to holiday, and this is no exception. So enjoy these beautiful pieces. As I said, come on over and check it out on QVC. It's the debut of our beautiful nesting 10-piece bakeware set.